Hello OET people, my name is Jay. I'm one of the expert teachers here at E2 Language. Today in this video I'm going to talk to you about something you can do in the meantime while you're waiting for your OET test. You see, these English tests, and OET is no exception, are English tests. Yes, you need to know the strategies and the approaches and the methodologies that you can learn on e2language.com. They're very, very helpful. Of course, you need to get feedback and do mock tests and all that sort of stuff. But fundamentally, if you're lacking the skills that you need for writing or speaking or reading or whatever, then it's going to be problematic. So I'm going to talk to you in this video just quickly about how you can build those fundamental skills. And what I mean by that specifically is vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation. These are the three ingredients of language. So let's take a look. Okay, so if you go to www.e2school.com, this is a website by e2language.com. You can build your English language skills, and this will make you much more confident when you take your OET test. Okay, so let's talk about OET skill building and how you can improve your scores by improving your skills. This thing here is from the official OET website, and it shows how you're graded, okay, or what your score is. It also shows that according to A, you can see that you can communicate very fluently and effectively with patients and health professionals using appropriate registered tone and lexis vocabulary. Shows complete understanding of any kind of written or spoken language, okay? So that's the highest you can possibly get. And obviously, if you're going to get a high score, the equivalent of 350 or above, then you're going to need those fundamental skills. Okay, so how do you boost your OET writing scores? Well, in writing, you're scored on these 6 criteria. You're scored on purpose, content, conciseness and clarity, genre and style, organization and layout, and language. Language is the fundamental foundation of your writing score. If you need to improve that, you should check out E2School.com and go to the grammar review course, because perhaps you need to brush up on your verb tenses or your plural nouns or your sentence structures, something like that. So you can check that out on E2School.com. It's 100% free. You can also check out the different general English levels that we have as well, from level 0, beginner, obviously that's not you, but it can still be helpful, level 1, 2, 3, and 4. These will be helpful to you because they'll take you through all the reading and listening and writing and speaking and grammar and just help to boost your fundamental skills. You can sign up to any of these courses for free. For speaking, you are scored on intelligibility, how clearly you speak and how easily you are understood, fluency, appropriateness, and grammar and expression. So in terms of intelligibility, or how easily you are understood, and fluency, we have a course on e2school.com called Speaking Lab. It helps you with your pronunciation and your spoken English. You can sign up to that one for free as well. And of course, within spoken English is grammar. So again, the grammar review course will be extremely helpful to you. So check out e2school.com to build your fundamental OET skills. Cool. Hopefully that'll help you out in your test and while you have time on your hands, if you do. Also, feel free to share this website, e2school.com, with your friends and family, nieces, nephews, cousins, brothers, sisters, whoever might need to improve their English language skills. I'll see you soon.